Property is integral to the world around us, but what careers are there to work in such an important industry? Come with us on a journey supported by Aster Group. Have you wanted to work in property but not sure of the careers available to you? The Aster Group is battling the housing crisis by providing reliable customer service and reliable options to customers. So where do you fit in? Come with us as we embark on a journey through the varied and exciting opportunities in property. You'll explore the fascinating world of house building, from customer service careers, development opportunities, maintenance and more. You'll complete quizzes, activities and webinars that will open the door to the property industry in the UK. Discover the world of property and the pathways to the exciting careers available. Powered by Springpod, this virtual work experience will grant you the opportunity to learn from industry professionals. We'll show you the ways you can make a difference with the Aster Group.